What a boy. Good morning, baby. Good morning. Good morning, sleepies. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. You had a good night? Night, night? You had a good night, night? No. Come. Come to mama. Come to mama. Come here. You don't want to come to mama? Come. Give mama a bisou. Give mama a kiss. Oh, you're giving the babes early kisses. You're giving me kisses. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I am still feeling a little bit stuffy, but I managed to get my workout in this morning, which I'm super happy about. I just took a shower, get my hair done, threw on a little makeup, and I'm super ready for my day. I'm still sneezing here and there, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm actually about to make me some breakfast right now, since I already give Tyler his breakfast. I'm gonna make some, what is it? I'm gonna make some breakfast. And what is it? What do you want? What is that? No, out of the kitchen, please. Out of the kitchen, please. Out of the kitchen, please. Thank you. So I'm gonna make me some breakfast. And yes, my baby's crying. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It's looking really beautiful outside today. It's sunny and it's hot, which means Thailand I should be going on the road. Hopefully I get everything done by then. But yeah, make sure you guys make today productive. Get your workout in. It doesn't really matter what you do, just get something in. It doesn't really matter what time of the day, just get something in. Love you guys. Catch up, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Look at you. You guys, this house is all his. He knows where to get his things, and he's just throwing them out. Oh, look at his little artwork. That's your little artwork. Where does those go? You're stocking them up. You're stuck in the mom? Whoa! Whoa! Where does that one go? Super noisy Thailand guys out on the road. I'm heading into town trying to run some errands. So we're on the road. We're actually down by the promenade right now. And I think he's sleeping. Oh no! You're not sleeping? It's super hot out, so I just pull my hair up in a bun. Kind of pull forward bun because it's so hot. Your girl ain't got no time for letting down hair and all that. But yeah, we're on the road, and I guess we're going to meet up with babe after to head back home. So it's time to go run some errands. The beach is actually full today as usual and as expected. A lot of people out. I don't think I've ever taken you to this side of Nice. It's like just a huge area with apartments and lots of restaurants, and the tramway is just in the middle of it, passing through the middle of it right there. And there's lots of hotels around here too, basically. And there's that huge statue right there. But yeah. So just as I finish running errands and want to take Tyler to the park, he's knocked out sleeping. But I knew that would happen because he had difficulties napping today, unlike him. Don't know what happened, but he didn't want to nap. So I just took him out his bed and he's knocked out now. But I'm going to go to the park. Look at you. You're having fun. Hey, you're looking at your shadow. You're looking at your shadow. You're so funny. Hold on tight, Papa. No? You don't like it? No? You want to get down off this one? Alright, come. Come. Come! Whoa! Good job! Go! Go in it, sit! Sit! No? Come on, baby, clean up time. Clean up, Tyler, clean up. Pick up paper, lying on the ground, it make the place untidy. Yes, baby. Pick them up. Pick them up. Bubble! High five. Good job. Whoa! Oh! Close it with me. Whoa! Good job! High five! Good job. Say bye. Bye. Give them kisses. Say tomorrow. 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 Say bye. You guys, I was just about to step outside and I literally turned back to grab the camera because the nightlife in Nice is just so beautiful. I would just stand on this balcony and look out here all night. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. So beautiful. That's really amazing to have this view.
Hi guys, hope you have a good day today. That was very busy for me. You didn't see me this morning because I don't know what happened.
Oh, you didn't vlog this morning?
No, I remember I woke up, I look at my phone, I woke up like 45 minutes after the time I was supposed to wake up.
Really?
Yeah.
What happened?
I don't know, I look at my phone and I saw miss.
You didn't set the big alarm clock?
No, so I think I'm gonna set both now. Because I don't used to put both. I used to put the big one only when my phone is not on alarm. So it was with an alarm missed. So I never heard it.
You slept through it. You slept through it. But I don't know how you set your alarm, but your phone is on vibrate. It's not on loud.
Yeah, I was.
How do you expect to wake up through that?
I was been like this. My day was okay. Otherwise, tired as usually. We're only Tuesday and 3 more days before the weekend, and yeah, I have to try to enjoy the week, not only the weekend. Outside very hot.
Oh yeah, it is. Jamaican expression for today is every mickle make a muckle.
Oh Lord. Every mickle make a muckle.
Right. That.
Every mickle.
Every mickle.
Every mickle.
Make a muckle.
Make a muckle.
Yes. Simple means that whatever you're doing, don't waste any time or any of the ingredients that you're using to cook, or whatever the case may be, because every little bit counts. So if I'm baking a cake and some of the ingredients leave in the pan and you're like, no, I can keep this, I'm going to say, no, I want it to go in the cake pan, because every mickle make a muckle. Every bit counts.
Every mickle make a muckle.
Right. So every bit counts. Right? Understand?
Yeah, I'm just trying to find how I can use that in Jamaica next time. Every mickle make a muckle.
Right. Or if somebody owes you some money, for example, somebody owe you,
yeah, that's what I was thinking.
right? If somebody owe you $10 and they only give you $9, and you're going to say, no, I want my $1, because every mickle make a muckle. You want every bit of it. So that's the Jamaican expression for today. What's the French word or expression?
It's just a feeling right now in my stomach hurting, so I'm gonna say mal au ventre. It's not an expression, it's just a word, because you guys know that I have a lot of headaches, so when something is hurting we say mal. So then is mal à la tête for head, or mal au ventre for the stomach. So tell it.
Mal à la tête or
No.
mal à ventre?
Mal à la tête.
Mal à la tête?
Right. Then you put it with the word together.
Because
like
I know that very good.
Like a French girl. Say it again.
Mal à la tête.
And the other one.
Mal au ventre.
Nice.
So that's having a headache, pain in my head. That's what it translates, and pain in my stomach.
Right.
So there you guys have the French words and the Jamaican expression. You get it? Make sure you get it. All right, you guys, we're going to go ahead and end the vlog here. We love you guys. Thank you guys for all the support, for all the love. Mwah, 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 to everybody, as Tyler would say. Mwah. We love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you are new. catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.